Saharsh had the psychic calculator on when he performed the experiment. He took a piece of cloth, kept a few balls on it, and then placed a heavy ball in the center. Saharsh knew this is how gravity works. When you place a heavy ball in the center, it curves the space-time around it like this cloth and attracting every object towards it. He looked at the screen of the IQ calculator. He had an idea. He quickly glued all the small balls to the cloth, fixing them to their positions. Now he placed the heavy ball in the center. Gravity stops working. He thought, what if we could glue all objects in the universe to the space-times and hence defy gravity?